What's the meaning of councillor? Councillor. Councillor.
Councillor. Councillor. A councillor is a member of a council, typically a local government authority. They are responsible for representing the views of their constituents and making decisions that benefit their community. Councillors can be elected or appointed to their positions, and they serve as a link between the people they represent and the government. Their duties may include attending meetings, making policy decisions, advocating for their constituents, and overseeing the allocation of resources. Overall, councillors play a vital role in ensuring that local communities are well governed and have their voices heard by those in power.